Your Ghost Rider. Yes, today date 29 December 2024. We have 2 more days for 2025. Really amazing year 2024. And I'm so happy. And now I'm giving some tips and all the ideas. Yes, already I gave this setup on my Telegram channel. If you want more details, just join with our Telegram channel, guys. Same time, yes, this amazing setup you can check here. And this one 1:10 ratio. It's fly, really amazing trade. Yeah. Then now, yeah, this one I didn't get that strong confirmation. That's why I didn't give this one. This personally, I got this very small risk setup. Really amazing move. Yeah. Now looking for, we have a very big imbalance in week time frame. Yeah, I think monthly. See, monthly we have very big imbalance here. That's why I took this buy. Still buying here JPY. I will get all the buys here. See, we have more 200, and yeah, if it is 50%. If we check this 50%, sorry. We have more than 500 pips still pending. We can get it very easily. When we need some low time frame confirmation, then only we can move on next step. And yeah, already market gave some lot of rejections here. You can check here, a lot of rejection. It's mean market not ready to sell. That's why market still buying. That's why taking for buy already. And we have another part. We have another, yeah, already medicated this zone. See, already medicated. That's why worry about it now. Don't worry about it. Thing is, now market still bullish, and that's why we have to looking for bullish. You can check here, or yeah, I mean supply zone here. Then after that gave nice rejection for buy again. Still we have some imbalance also here, parallel gap. Yeah, yes, okay. Then now tomorrow again I'm looking for buy here, because the market creating some bullish trend now. Then now market after, and most of the time I will trade envoy session, New York session. It's a very good time for me. And now we have another demand zone is here. If it is come here, I will looking for another buy zone. We will see how this market react coming Monday. Yeah, tomorrow. Yes, this is my predictions. We'll see. I'm always looking for low time frame confirmation. Then only I can get more low risk. Then only we can get more profits. Nice. Really, I can't forget this setup. Really, snap a shot. See, just move. Yeah, yes, 38 pips. It's move 360 pips. 1:10 ratio. Yeah. Yeah, GBPJPY already we are in this trade already. I gave all this buy limit already, trigger this limit. I mean midnight, 27th. I gave this setup, really amazing move. Still move. Already it's move 18 pips now. We'll see how this market react. Hunt these liquidities, and still we have low time frame. If we check in low time frame, we have one more imbalances here, like point of interest in low time frame, 1 minute. That's why I extended the SL a little bit, few more XL, because that's why I extended this SL. That's why I marked this one. Anyhow, we get some low risk. After December we will take 1% risk. Nowadays I will take on 0.75 or 0.50% per trade. Because it's a very main thing, guys. That's why we have to be patient. Also these are my favorite pairs. That's why Euro JPY, one of my favorite pair, and GBPJPY also one of my favorite pair. I have a lot of trades, and at the same time and we have another zone. We have beautiful setup, and GBPCHF still bullish trend. Yeah, you can check here. No, yeah, still. Yeah, we got low time frame bullish trend. See, like this. Then again, I'm looking for buy, but the thing is, we have one more beautiful liquidity is downside. That's why we have to be safe, right? And same time, if we check in low time frame, already mitigated this tab 1. See, that's why if it is break this level in day time frame, we can go for another buy, very beautiful buy like this. Or else, if we break this level, we can get this sell, very beautiful sell like waterfalls. But the still market manipulating. If we check but here we still pending orders here, supply zone balance. That's why one day market will come here. That's why market maybe prepare, because already we got a lot of rejection. See, still rejection, second time and third time. The third time and very important time, third time. After that, market not ready to come here. See, still market not ready to come here. Maybe market will move here. This is my idea. Okay, and here, yeah, maybe. That's why. Yeah, if you check in week chart, we have very beautiful balance also here. Then if we check in pips, how many pips are here to there? Wow, 600 pips enough. Really amazing. Yeah, we can catch this buy coming Monday. Yeah, I will mark it. We are in balance. A lot of things are there. That's why we got only one confirmation bullish trend, bullish BOS. But we'll see how this market react after here. If we get confirmation low time frame, we can go for buy again. We can go for. We have a week time frame. If we check in week, we have a beautiful imbalance here. Market will come here. Yeah, that's why we need some more confirmations for buy again. Yeah, this market already rejected. See, that's why we have to wait for this break this level. And also, what about gold? Gold, yes, gold. Personally, I'm looking for sell again, because market still bullish trend now. Gold make some bull. That's why, and at the same time, we have very dangerous zone now, because we gold already made some liquidity here. At the same time, we have an imbalance also here. Imbalance, still market manipulating, not ready to buy now. But if we break gold this level, we can get for low time frame confirmation for buy again. Or else market, if we break this level, 100% market will go down, because market still gave some pending order for the low time frame here. I mean high time frame. High time frame is very important, guys. That's why I'm waiting. We have another imbalance also here. Maybe if it is come any big news, market will react. Market will react this place. I am 100% sure about it. If you are allowed to invest a real gold, you can buy this level. You can buy this level and this level also. But market, I'm sure about it. One day it will come. Yeah. Then that day, if you are interested to buy a local gold, you can buy here and here and here. Yeah, it's a better place to buy. You can manage the money. If you have $1,500 and you can buy 500, we can sell here. But market always, we can trust me, market always bullish trend. That's why no worry about it. Market already mitigated this zone. Market, I'm sure about it. Personally, I'm not an advisor, just my personal opinion for the education purpose. Market mostly never come this place, because market already mitigated this zone. That's why market already gave the big rejections. At the same time, yes, then market still bull. But if we have some opportunity to buy a low time frame here and here, if we can buy and get some profit, guys. Yeah, I hope you understand, guys. Just join with our Telegram channel. If you want more details, I will share my education purpose. I will share some ideas. Just give a support, guys. This is my outlook. I never ever trade. I never ever trade lot of trades. I never take lot of trades. I will take only quality setup. I'm always looking for low time frame confirmation. Then only I will get a very low risk setups. Then I can use big lot size. Yeah. See, 1:2, 1:3 is my personal recommended ratio. When sometime I will close 0.75%. I mean 75%. I will close 1:2 and 1:3. And after that TP3 swing trade, I will leave the trade for the TP3 like this one. I will explain. GBPJPY. I closed this 1:3 already. I closed this level, and after that I leave this trade for TP3 just 25%. So with BE now. Yeah. After move and some, if I get 1:2, 1:3, I will make BE, and after that I leave it this trade. Really amazing trade. Same like I will follow that. Overall, alhamdulillah, profitable. Yeah, this is my strategy, guys. I'm always looking for imbalance and liquidity swept and like SMC setup, real SMC setup. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Ciao, live. Take care. Bye.